RAC Concours Day at the RAC Club at Woodcote Park in Surrey. Lamborghini's old. Oh. Pre-war concourse entries. Extravagant Edwardians. The aptly named spoiler alert section with a 70 Plymouth Superbird. Don't get much bigger spoiler than that. Not even on the Ferrari F40 over there, or the Lamborghini Countach.
Yeah, you'll find a way to slow them down.
Or a Cosy. A modern McLaren, and of course the Batmobile in the background. V12 multi-cylinder magnificence. Naturally including Ferrari. Niels van Roij Designs, always doing something special. And today it's under the cover. And there it is. The Daytona Shooting Brake Hommage. Jaguars from the days when sculpting led the way. Astons. Some motorbikes. Celebrating 100 years of the British Grand Prix. An interesting concourse category of estates or shooting brakes. And in the case of the Niels bread van, the bread van. Does that make it a commercial vehicle? The Aston shooting brake is of course beautiful. Lotus Elan shooting brake. And a Vauxhall Viceroy estate in very esteemed company. But this one is rather special because it belongs to none other than Her Majesty the Queen. A selection of cars in the RM Sotheby's auction. Celebrating the Targa Florio. Celebration of Mercedes-Benz, including C11. Some Lancias. Celebration of Daimler. The members paddock. Is that like always check the car park? A Mini.
There you go, Robbie.
AC. Bristol. And a Rolls where choices were made. That's it. From the RAC Club at Woodcote Park.